Here's another way to prepare your pusit na siguradong mapapakain kayo ng marami. Kilawing pusit. Let's start cooking! So, meron tayong pusit dito, pusit lumot. And all we have to do is season it with salt. Laman ng ating pusit. Minsan kasi nabibili natin yung pusit yung sobrang laki, di ba? Suka and calamansi combination. Check! Yan, masarap yan. Luya. Ito talaga, dapat maraming luya. Pangtanggal ng ating lansa. And of course, bagay na bagay sa seafood. Siling pang sigang, no? Green chilies. Siling labuyo. Red bell peppers, optional. Tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Pag nagkikilaw ako, tinatanggal ko yung seeds. Yan. Chopped leeks, no? Or spring onions. To give it a nice flavor, linamnam. Combination ng alat ang ating patis. Konting sugar for, balance lang ng flavors. Salt, pepper, yan. So, all we want to do, tingnan mo siya ha. Hindi siya matagal, sobrang bilis lang ng ating pag-cook. Yan. Amoy na amoy mo yung fresh pusit, oh. Very nice. Yan. And all we have to do is dice. Yan. Masarap din to. Gagawin mong alasisig, no? Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. So, ang squid should be cooked either very quickly or for a very long time. Kasi in between, magiging makunat siya. Which we don't want to happen. Lalagyan natin yung ating pusit into our relish mixture. Stir tayo. Oh, looks so yummy. It's a very healthy recipe because it's cooked, prepared very simply. And do you know, vinegar is also a very healthy, natural vinegar is very healthy, no? For your body. Mukha siyang masarap. Titikman ko na. Dagat na lang kulang. Panalong-panalo yung ating recipe for today. You can do this ahead of time. Para you can serve it chilled or medyo warm. Pareho siyang masarap. Buhay na buhay ang aking dila at diwa dahil sa napakasarap at maanghang kong pulutan. Ang ating recipe for today, ang ating kilawing pusit, Simpol! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!